Hey, are these worn? Yeah, they're worn. How would you describe the condition of these? They're right in front of you, so you can just look at them. I mean, if I were gonna like grade them personally, I'd say it's like 8 out of 10, maybe, I guess. If you have any other stupid questions, feel free to ask. All right. All right, man, these are good to go. I'll take them. So these are 630. Cool, thank you. Hey, the condition was not like you said. Wait, what? You can't be serious. Yeah, bro, these are beaters, LOL. Dude, you just sat there for 7.5 hours looking at the shoes. You already paid for them, so, I mean, I have to charge you a 10% restocking fee. I'll just keep them. I'll keep them. Don't worry about it. Hey, does anybody want this for $7.50? $7.50. I think I look cuter that way. Nobody agrees. That's totally cool. Hello and welcome to this dumb channel, wasting your time watching me unbox things for absolutely no reason. Thanks for tuning in. Hello all you pals. Appreciate your time. I am your host, the lovable idiot, SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram here. And then after you're done doing that, you can go to this thing up here and click it, and you'll have the ability to visit my website, which is called ransomnotesneakers.com, and there's things there. Stop angering the goths! If you want to check it out, you don't really have to. As you can tell by the thumbnail and title of this video, hopefully, if I did my job right, this is a beater box. And this beater box comes to us from Supremacy, which is a shop in the Bay Area of California that has this beater box program that you have to pay to be a part of. Memberships are closed right now, but they said they may open some up in 2019. So follow them on Twitter, turn on post notifications, and try your best. The purpose of these boxes is to flip them for money because they price them under market. This box right here, yeah! This box was $800 plus $40 to ship it here to beautiful North Philadelphia for a grand total of $840. After I'm done going through all this stuff in here, whatever, I'm gonna break it down for you. What does that mean? It means I'm gonna show you how much the box is worth versus how much I paid. So let's open it up and see what's going on inside here. Wow, this knife is really bad. AC Slater. Follow along and see the values of all these shoes right up here. This is Clarence. Clarence is responsible for letting you know how much these shoes are worth. He's also a notary public and my emergency contact. This son of a gun is open and there are 2 loose shoes, so let's get them out of the way. This first one is a size 10 FOAMPOSITE red colorway. I suck with FOAMPOSITEs. I think this is a FOAMPOSITE Pro? I think with the swoosh it means pro. I could be wrong though because I'm not a FOAMPOSITE guy. Also, just an idiot overall. But anyway, this is a really nice shoe. Quick look over the upper. The upper seems to be in okay shape. There's a couple little scratches here and there. But I mean, you can see the bottom's barely used. So size 10, red FOAMPOSITE, without a box. Probably not gonna go for much. Let's keep going. This is a small pair of size 6 youth. This is a black cement 3, but this is the 2012 release because it has the Jumpman on the back. As you can tell from my personal pair, the 2017 model has the Nike Air on the back, but this is still a cool shoe. 6 youth, a little bit tiny, not great shape. A little bit of wear on the bottom, barely any stars there left. I don't know if you can see it, but these will go pretty cheap too. So here's the other one. So there are 2 shoes. This was not owned by someone with a peg leg, but size 6 youth, black cement 3s from 2012. This is some kind of weird 4. It looks like an 8.5 youth, some kind of like iridescent Jordan 4. These are lightly worn, but I mean, it's still really good shape. These are wild. This has got to be a GG. Yeah. Don't really know what these are called. Don't know what they're worth. Size 8.5, some kind of thing. Iridescent Jordan. Here, let me see if you can see it better that way. Yeah. See how the light shines on it? Weird shoe. I don't really know how I feel about this box so far. Okay, I'm definitely getting this one out of the way because I am not gonna look smart about it at all. This is a size 10 pastel. It's a Reebok classic. Free shoe tree, that's good, but this is like some kind of like Reebok something. Let me see, it's probably easier to tell. This almost looks like the butter colorway of the Yeezys, except not a Yeezy. I mean, they're in really good shape. I just don't think that Reeboks really have much value. It's a clean shoe. I mean, Reeboks have a definite niche market. Size 10, some kind of pastel Reebok. All right, that's the first shoe of the box. Let's keep going. Here's this. This is a size 13 Jordan 1 mid. Yep, that's basically what it is. I thought these were Lance Mountains for a second, but it's a Jordan 1 mid. Probably a throw-in. A little bit of creasing on the toe box. Not much wear on the bottoms. These probably will not go for much, but big foot, simple, clean Air Jordan 1 mid. Probably just need a good cleanup. Solid 8 out of 10 condition. Size 13. This looks like a 3. Yes, it is an Air Jordan 3 Retro, size 12. Cyber Monday 3s. These are a little bit worn, but barely. Really clean colorway. Matches with a lot of pretty much everything you can wear, but a little bit of wear on the bottom, easily cleaned up. You can tell. A little bit of toe box creasing. I mean, this is just a, really lightly worn pair of a 3. 3 is a classic silhouette, and this is a very, very simple colorway. So, Cyber Monday 3s, size 12. These will probably go for under 100 bucks. Oh, this box is kind of iffy. I'm gonna get this one out of the way because I can. With most boxes, lately, it's YEEZY time. This is a size, it's like 11.5, 350 V2. Obviously, this is a pair of lightly used, these are the olives. Or green, or whatever you want to call them. It's like an olive green colorway, but comes to us, we know it's legit. It's from GOAT. A little bit of wear on the bottoms, easily cleaned up. Not much like heel drag and stuff. Yeah, these are in good shape. 350, size 11.5, olive green colorway. And I'm gonna get this one out of the way. How about a 4? Size 10.5, Air Jordan 4 Retro. Woo! Okay, this is a good one. This is a really good one to get. This is a barely worn pair of some Toro Bravos. A lot of people love this shoe. I'm not a huge fan, but this is a really good size. These are barely worn, as you can tell from the bottoms, and just overall, the shoe is in really good shape. Yeah, these just need a solid cleanup. Toro Bravo 4s. This is a good one to get. These still are up in the hundreds. But does not come with the hang tag, but really good shoe. A lot of people like this colorway. I do not personally, but 10.5 is a good size, and this is a really good looking shoe. So Toro Bravo 4s. Nice. Well, this box started off weak, and it's finishing strong. You want to know how I know? Because we got a 1. Air Jordan 1. What is this? Should have looked first. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, size 12. It's a pair of shadows, and these are dead stock too. Cool. Yeah. Size 12 pair of dead stock shadow ones from this year. Good release. Came out in like April or something like that. I think the quality on these is phenomenal, and just shadows are so versatile. You can match anything with them if you're into matching. Really nice shoe though. Cool. Size 12. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG shadows from 2018. There's your box. This box started off really, really bad and ended really good. But let's go through it right now. Give it a grade in the SB Mitch report card. There's shoes all over the place. Cool. So we give this box a grade through 3 categories, and they are as follows. Category 1, condition. Category 2, sizes. And category 3, hype/value. Let's do condition first. There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 pairs of shoes in this Sole Supremacy beater box. One shoe is dead stock. And the rest of them are in pretty good shape. So condition on this box, we'll give it a B-. Sizes. So we have 10, 6 youth, 8.5 youth, 13, 12, 10, 11.5, 10.5, and 12. All these sizes pretty much avoided the really good sizes, which is like 8 to 9. Sizes on this box, we'll give it about a B-. Hype/value. The value is probably in the Toro Bravos, the Shadows, and the Yeezys. Everything else is kind of eh. So hype/value on this box, we'll give it about a B. So with the grade of B- for condition, the grade of B- for sizes, and the grade of B for hype/value, this $800 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a grade of B-. in the SB Mitch report card. So, I lack the qualifications to do it, but I did it anyway. I gave this box a grade of B- in the report card, but it's gonna make us money. Let's crunch the numbers right now in the
break it down.
So I don't really know if this box is that good. I mean, just because there's so much stuff I don't know about. I know there's a lot of shoes in here that'll probably go for real cheap. So there's that. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about this box or about anything. If you want to give me your opinion on sandwiches, awesome. I think sandwiches are phenomenal. And I could do an entire video on my love of sandwiches, but I won't because that is not the premise of this channel. Anyways, some of these pairs will probably end up on the website, ransomnotesneakers.com, which updates every Friday at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm making a really conscious effort to put more pairs that I get in these boxes up there because, I don't know, if you get a pair that's worth 40 bucks, might as well just put it on the website for like 30 bucks to at least move it and maybe give you guys a little bit of a deal. So check that out. Appreciate your time. If you like what was going on here, subscribe, I guess. If you want to, it's not really any benefit to you. That's all I got for you today. So till next time, take care of each other and remember they're just shoes. If you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that. And I will see you next time on this channel for some reason. Bye-bye.